You're welcome guys to this Kucoin tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily check your order history on Kucoin. Order history actually gives you the information on when you actually went into a trade and actually the amount you purchased a particular token or the same amount by which you sold it. So order history is quite important if you're a trader. It gives you the information on what to do next and the decision when to make, either to buy, when to buy, and actually to sell your next token that you're holding in your assets. So this video is basically meant for people that uses KuCoin exchange to actually trade or buy cryptocurrency. Or if you intend to start making use of KuCoin, then this video is also meant for you. I can remember that I've done a video on how you can check your order history using the KuCoin app, but I noticed that there's a particular limitation of which I'll be talking about in this video. So I will advise you to sit back, relax, and let's get started.
You are welcome to Blog Infotech YouTube channel.
So welcome back. So before we proceed, my name is Chibuzo Agwa and Blogging for Tech is the name of this channel. And basically in this channel, we dish out tutorial videos from the technology world. If you should go through the channel, you discover that we upload videos periodically. We teach you on how to carry out some daily functions easily all by yourself. We cover topics such as cryptocurrencies, affiliate marketing, how to make money, and mobile apps. And we also do reviews on some gadgets you find today in the world. So, in order for you to get more or be part of this channel, I will you need to hit the subscribe button, which is that red rectangular button below this video that you're watching, and also turn on the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I release similar important videos just like this. So having done that, so let's go down to business. So the first thing you do, I believe you already own a KuCoin account. So like I said, we shall be using the desktop version in this case. So you log on to your KuCoin account, which I just did, and this is my account. So the next or the first thing you should do, you look at the navigation bar at the top, you discover and you see orders. So that's how easy you can locate orders. So you just um, over it and you see various menus that will be dropped down. So you click on sports orders. For example, I want to check my order history from my sports trading. So I will now click on sports orders, and the window is trying to open up. The internet connection is a little bit slow, so that should be a limitation while recording this video. So let's hold on for some minutes as it's coming up. It's quite taking some time. Okay, as you can see now, we in the window has come up. So now, for the first time, you notice that you see all the orders might be empty. So you now click on what? Let's say, for example, I'm in my sports trading order. So now I'll now go to order history, which is easily locatable. So I'll tap on order history, and it will come up just like I said, and you can see this is the order history, or this is the trade that I've made in my sports wallet within this period of 1 month. So you can remember during the introduction, I talked about limitation that most people that uses the mobile app faces, which is they can only see their order history within the period of 3 months. But if you're using the desktop version, just like we are using in this example in this video, so the next thing you will do if you want to like expand your order history to extend up to, let me say, 5 months or whatsoever, even up to a year, you can do that. And how can you do that? You can see once you hit this bar, you see that you see what you see is 1 month, 3 months, and a year. So you can actually see your order history up to a year while you're using the desktop version. But in the mobile app, it is limited to 3 months alone. But you can also customize the date. Let's say you want to span it from, you want to see your trade history. Let me see from October 1st, 2021 in December. Okay, let me shift it a little bit to October. So October 1st, 2021 to, let me see, to January. We are okay, we're in February. Let's say February 1st also. You can customize it, and once you tap on that, the page will automatically refresh and show you your order histories or the trade that you make in, be it your sports wallet or your futures wallet, within that speculated time that you indicated or you filtered using this filter here. So you can see how easy it is for you to check your orders using the desktop version on unlike the mobile app whereby there's certain limitations. So let's say for example you are in your trading view. Let's go to trade. I want to navigate to my trade view and spot as usual. So I'll click on the spot trading view and it is coming up. So let's see how you can also locate your order history from the spot trading view. So this is my spot trading view. So to locate your order history is also simple. Let me close this notification. It's also simple using the spot trading view. So you can see it's boldly indicated here, order history. So all you do is just tap on it and it will be displayed. Now there's also more filters you need to make. Let's see. Okay, it's coming up. It's basically from the network as usual, just like the first. But let me do a little bit of refresh and see what will come up this time around. Like I told you, the internet connection is a little bit slow. Let's see. Okay, it's trying to load once more. So all I'm just trying to show you is how you can also check your order history using the trading view on the desktop version of your Kucoin. So you can easily just go to order history. You click on it and wait for it to load, as you can see. So these are all the trades that I've carried out within a speculated time, as it's been displayed here. You see, you check, you see the date, the time whereby this trade was made, the limit order, and everything you want to know about a particular trade. So like I said from the start, this information is quite important for you, especially if you want to know when you enter into a particular trade and when you want to opt out, and maybe the giving you the right instinct to make a particular decision that will be favorable to your trade. So you can see how easy it is to check the order history using the Kucoin mobile desktop version, unlike the mobile app, which I talked about in my previous video. So you have learned that the limitation is not you as in there's no limitation in the desktop version, unlike the mobile app. So if you, in case you're using the mobile app and your order history is just limited to 3 months, you can actually switch to the desktop version by using the PC, be it a laptop or maybe a tablet, and you see your order history and you can actually customize it to a particular date which you want to see. So with that, I'll say we've come to this end of this very video. So if you like the video enough, or maybe you're still confused in any section or any segment, you can actually go to the comment section and ask your question and I will answer speedily. So having done that and you've subscribed already, we've come to the end of this video. So like I said from the start, Chibuzo Agua is my name and Blogging Protect is the name of this channel. Once you've subscribed, anticipate for the next video. So bye bye for now.